Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for coming to watch my video. May God bless you all. I really appreciate your support. I don't take you for granted. Thank you and God bless you. In today's video, I'm just going to share a short video on how I made chocolate banana smoothie. This smoothie is very delicious. I bet you will love it. Here I have half cup of coconut milk, half cup of vanilla yogurt, 1.5 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and some bunch of banana. But I'm going to use only about 4 or 5 pieces of this banana. They are medium sized banana, so if you have a big one, you can just use only 2 or 3. Stay tuned and don't go away. Thank you. All I did is just to add everything into the blender and blend until smooth. And then I put some ice cubes into the cup and pour it into the cup and enjoyed it. The banana is not frozen, so that's why I'm using ice cube, and I don't have the patience of putting it into the fridge to cool down. I'm taking it as my breakfast, so and I love it when it is chilled. You will enjoy this. Just try it. You can use cocoa powder or any chocolate powder. You can also use any milk of your choice. And if you don't have cocoa powder or chocolate powder, you can equally use peanut butter or peanut itself, the granite, roasted granite or roasted peanuts, and enjoy it.